Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some warm conditions across the region this morning, seeing temperatures in the mid-60s already as of 10 a.m. this morning. We're going to see those temperatures rise in the upper 60s to lower 70s today. On the coastline inland, we'll see temperatures well above normal today into the lower 80s, so seeing some record highs possible inland today. Here at Wallops, we'll be under our record high, but overall, another warm day across the region, and going to see some chances of very slight chances of some showers or some thunderstorms, mainly north of the region later this evening, and those chances look like to be under 15%. So we should say dry and without any lightning in the area for today, as the atmosphere should remain capped and not going to see much in the way of activity across the region for today. Once we move into tomorrow morning, we'll have a cold front passing through the region. That's going to give us a chance of some showers and a very slight chance of an isolated thunderstorm. And we'll also have additional area low pressure passing off to our east for tomorrow afternoon. That's going to allow for some much colder air to move in our region, and could possibly see a brief period of some light snow across the region for tomorrow afternoon. So looking at our current surface analysis, high pressure off the coast giving us those very warm conditions across our region for this time of year. We'll see an area low pressure all over the southern plains passing off to our east tomorrow. This cold front moves to the region for our Thursday morning, and that's going to give us a big change in our temperatures from the upper 60s to possibly lower 70s across the peninsula tomorrow morning, quickly falling into the 40s and into the upper 30s by tomorrow afternoon. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we have, in general, mostly sunny skies currently with just some thin cirrus across the region. See some mid-level cloudiness going to start moving in the region here in the next few hours, giving us more mostly cloudy sky. And we'll see that variable cloudiness throughout the day with, in general, more mostly cloudy skies once we move in the afternoon hours. Our radar imagery this morning, all the showers and thunderstorms well off to our north and to our west this morning, and that looks like they will remain in that area for the remainder of the day, with this area of disturbed weather and, in general, cold front moving towards that region for later on today. That's going to give those areas, especially towards West Virginia, western portions of Maryland, western and southern Pennsylvania, chances of severe weather for today. For our area, most likely just going to see those showers and thunderstorms passing well off to our north and west. And taking a look at the HRRR model here, you can see those showers and thunderstorms well off to our north and west. Possibly later this evening, this is at 6 p.m. or 1800 local, you can see some showers and thunderstorms near D.C., but nothing really in our region. All the high-res guidance has backed well off on the solution of seeing any showers and thunderstorms across the Wallops region. Looks like the farthest southern extent of these showers and thunderstorms may be across central Delmarva for the evening hours, and that would be around 7 to 8 p.m. Otherwise, we're just going to see dry and warm conditions. Temperatures will actually warm slightly overnight as our winds switch out of the southwest, giving us temperatures in the upper 60s. And then we move into the Thursday forecast here on the HRRR. You can see the cold front moves through right around 12 to 13 Z, so 8 to 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's going to allow us to see some showers moving in, as well as rapidly falling temperatures. And we'll see those temperatures fall into the 40s throughout the morning hours and into the 30s by the mid to late afternoon hours on Thursday. Here is 5 p.m. or 1700 local on the HRRR run here with snowfall across the peninsula, with this coming down possibly moderate times on this HRRR run. So we'll continue to monitor this. Not going to expect an accumulation with this snowfall, and it does linger it until about 7 p.m. So about 2 or 3 hours of possibility of light moderate snow on this HRRR run. I'm not going to see an accumulation across the area with this, as our ground temperatures will be well above freezing, and we'll see those surface temperatures only in the mid-30s, so that's above freezing as well. So not going to see much in the way, if any, of accumulation if we do see that snowfall in the region tomorrow. Look at the European model here in the next few days. Excuse me, we'll see those showers move in tomorrow morning, and then we'll see that transition to a period of snowfall for the late afternoon hours, and that'll continue through about 7 p.m. as it looks currently. I'll move off the coast, and we'll see high pressure build in for Friday. Quick moving clipper moves north in our region Friday afternoon. That's going to increase our wind, surface wind across the region on Friday, possibly gusting as high as 40 miles an hour. Moving into our Saturday, we'll see high pressure in control, and in general good conditions. Sunday, we'll see another transition day with an area low pressure developing across the Great Lakes Stakes. That's going to allow for us to see a possibility of some showers later in the day, with a disturbance moving along the North Carolina coast and advancing towards our region, giving us a chance of some showers. Most likely not going to see a lot of coverage with that on our Sunday evening, but could be seeing a few showers in the region. Then move into our Monday. We'll see a cold front moving through the region. This looks like a fairly strong cold front as well, so going to see some unsettled conditions across the region with chances of showers as well as an isolated thunderstorm. Breezy conditions ahead of that front, so Monday looks like an unsettled day across the region. And moving into Tuesday, we'll see much colder high pressure move into the region with temperatures below average for this time of year, possibly seeing some snowfall across the Appalachians on our Tuesday. Let's take a look at risk chart for today. Green chart across the board as far as our rainfall goes, only seeing in a yellow for that cold front moving through the region about 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. High today around 70, low tonight of 61 in the evening hours, and rising into the upper 60s overnight with the southwesterly wind giving us a little bit warmer air mass across the region. As far as our winds go today, we'll see winds slowly increasing and up to about 10 to 15 knots, gusts to 23 knots by later this afternoon into the evening hours. Once we move the overnight hours, we'll see gusts near 25 knots, so could be seeing a wind advisory from time to time. As far as our terminal forecast goes, we'll see in general VFR conditions, and then we'll see chance of showers tomorrow morning with some lower ceilings around 3,000 feet after about 7 a.m. Our tides are normal. Looking at Thursday into Friday. Thursday mostly cloudy with scattered showers in the morning, becoming overcast, breezy to windy, and much cooler by late morning. Rain showers mixing with wet snow by late afternoon. No snow accumulation expected with a high of 68 degrees in the morning. Temperatures falling into the mid-30s by late afternoon, so a 30-degree temperature swing in a matter of a few hours across the region on Thursday, so that's a big change in our weather. For Thursday night, partly cloudy to mostly clear and more seasonable, low of 31. And for Friday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and breezy to windy. Wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour possible, a high of 51 degrees. So next 7 days, we'll see those unseasonably warm conditions for today. And then we'll see those temperatures falling quickly tomorrow with the rain-snow mix possible, turning into a little bit of light snow for late afternoon on Thursday, temperatures seasonable on Friday at 51, moderating on Saturday and Sunday into the upper 50s to lower 60s, with breezier conditions expected for Sunday, possibility of a shower later in the day. Monday looks like an unsettled day, as I mentioned, PM showers likely, as well as some windy conditions. Could even see a thunderstorm on Monday as well. Tuesday we'll see partly cloudy skies, cooler conditions, temperatures in the mid-40s for our highs. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and at 10 a.m.